Down from the door where it began, and I must follow if I can. The road goes ever on and on, down from the door where it began. How far ahead the road has gone, and I must follow if I can.
Hello, fellas.
Hello and welcome to a new video about my experiences going on a 3-day retreat in the middle of the Scottish Highlands with none other than Tom Langhorne himself, founder of the Resilient Roots movement. The first hours were spent getting to know each other and setting up camp. Tom made sure that every shelter was set up in the right way. And meanwhile, our chef Perry was preparing a wonderful Scottish initiation, haggis. We chatted a bit more after we had our bellies filled with delicious haggis. For the next day was filled with activities, we went to bed on time, starting the day in noble silence. Okay, I almost forgot to tell you this, but we also got the opportunity to leave the phone behind and put it in a box. So we didn't know what time it was or if the world has gone to shit or anything like that, and that was a wonderful experience. But let's go on with the video. The noble silence is meant to start the day in detachment, the first pillar of flow. Emerging from the dream world and entering reality again. Not a word is spoken, only awareness from your surroundings.
Well, I stripped from putting my kilt.
Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da.
They rake their gardens with gravel and stuff,
Yeah, yeah.
you know, and they put like patterns into it. I feel like that when I'm pleating the kilt, and then when I put it on and it's just done putting on the belt, then just like relaxing and just laying back and just
And then the second pillar of flow. The second pillar of flow is called discipline. And what better way to practice discipline than by hiking up a mountain with a resilience rug? While coming down the mountain, we saw the opportunity for some stick hunting. We got some tips and tricks from master in Stickology himself, Tom Langhorne.
I've always wondered, you know, it's got that bend, and you make the bow so it bends the counterweight, so you've always got that like extra energy. Yeah. Shooting forward. I wonder what Jace was talking about. He was like very much like, oh, if you can work with the bend.
The long day ended with a musical evening around the campfire. The next day after our noble silence, we really got into it with a crash course in Kiltology, with Jason explaining all the benefits of the kilt, ways to wear it and how to keep warm in cold weather.
And so yeah, the first thing will be is you can either choose whether you want your fabric to be folded double or if you just want it one layer.
Oh yeah, after you take it off, we'll measure it. Yeah. It went halfway up and put that.
Yeah, you need something.
Some bit of pocket, but these sleeves, if you take it
yeah, you can make it kind of a teepee thing out of it. I think if you have multiple people, this is something I actually want to experiment with you and Langhorne actually now.
The afternoon existed of a fire challenge. After a short introductory lesson on fire, Tom challenged us to make a fire and boil a pot of water.
You've got to practice for you to remember. Just having something really achievable. Like, hey, I'm just going out for the afternoon and I'm going to make a cup of tea. But you know, we don't want to be burning the forest down. We don't want to be necessarily creating a lot of smoke so people...
On top of that, it had to be a stealthy fire, which meant that no trace could be seen after the deed. Like true forest ninjas. It seemed simple, but in a wet Scottish landscape, it was easier said than done. But in the end, everyone seems to make it work.
Nice one, Joel.
Add any new fuel, but just any burnt ends that fall out, pick them up, stick them in.
The last lesson of the day consisted of an archery
Right, a bit
lesson.
more accurate, but it's slightly slower to reload, and if you're on a horseback, it's a bit, you don't get to look down the arrow.
Some tried to carve their own bow, while others tried some target practice.
Hey, nice.
After yet another heavy day of discipline comes finally play, the last pillar of flow, where we got to hang around the campfire and simply chat, hang around and enjoy ourselves.
I've just got Josh in all fours. It's killing my shot. Okay, I've zoomed it.
And with this, the last evening of our gathering slowly came to an end.
Can everyone balance a stick at once? Could we do that? Yeah. Oh, and a saucepan.
Yeah. So you have to count it down though. 3, 2, 1 now.
Okay, that's gonna be weird faces. I hate you people. He's such a Samwise Gamgee character. Yeah.